Hello and welcome. Today I will take you on a tour of our fully automated factory for safety shoes. Our two fully automatic rotary injection machines DSMA. It only requires 3 workers. Automatic spraying. Automatic ABB roughing. Automatic heating. Automatic PU injection. You can see there are no bubbles on the sole. This sole is very flexible. Fit your feet like sock. Due to the Germany DSMA technology, it helps to improve upper and outsole bond strength, midsole and outsole bond strength, which greatly improves production efficiency and quality. Fashionable, athletic, innovative. Our design team is constantly developing new products coupled with world-class advanced DSMA machines. This is why we have been able to gain the trust of many customers and achieve rapid development in a short period of time. We have big stock of different materials for regular orders. This is the secret of fast delivery for you. All materials are kept on the shelves and pallets to keep dry and clean. All materials are bought from big factories with certifications. These machines will cut out the materials automatically. Automatic line drawing. It is multiple times faster compared to the manual one. Automatic stitching. All complex styles can be accomplished easily. She is making the upper with waterproof membrane. Here is our another stitching workshop. Heel shaping. Upper heat shaping. Upper cold shaping. That is why the boots we make have a nice shape. This production line alone can produce up to 2,500 pairs of shoes each day, 90 positions, 45 pairs each circle. Obviously, it is much more efficient than traditional pouring machine. So we can offer competitive price for you. Automatic ab roughing. Automatic spraying. Automatic PU injection, automatic mold covering, automatic opening mold. Our factory is skilled in making various types of safety shoes. We are committed to provide quality products. Your satisfaction is our greatest wish. These are the safety shoes ready to ship for you. We can ship 3 containers in each 2 days. This is our test lab center. We do daily test, that is why we can offer 8-month quality warranty for you. We are BSCI certified and make certifications from ITS, CTC, TUV, SGS. We work with international suppliers and good at different technologies.